Before ko kayo ito, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please click the notification bell for more updates for my video. So, this model unit is Allegra. The lot area will be 132 square meter. Yan, kalaki yung lot niya. So, maliit lang to na subdivision. So, this unit is for assumed for only 700,000. One bedroom sa baba and then one toilet. Yan po, yung nakikita nyo sa video. And then sa taas naman is 2 bedroom and 1 toilet and bath. So the remaining balance for the Pag-ibig will be 2.5 million. And the monthly amortization through Pag-ibig is 15,000 only. Assume po ito for only 700,000. If you are interested, please call my number na nasa screen. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel ha, para may update kayo sa aking mga video.